Take the flavours of French onion soup and turn it into a main with this delicious beef casserole recipe. Loaded with veg, it will be a new family favourite. Start by heating some of the oil in a large casserole pan over high heat. Add the beef in batches and cook, turning occasionally until brown all over. Then transfer into a heat-proof bowl. Continue cooking the beef in batches. Once the beef is done, heat a little more oil in the pan. Add the mushroom and cook, turning until golden. Then transfer to the dish with the beef. Add the remaining oil to the pan with the onion, carrot and celery and cook, stirring until the onion softens. Return the beef and mushroom to the pan and sprinkle with flour. Cook stirring until well combined. Next, add the soup mix, beef stock and thyme sprigs. These will add a punch of flavour and bring it to a simmer. Cover the dish and pop into a 150 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Bake for 2 hours or until the beef is very tender. While the beef is baking, make the caramelised onions by melting the butter in a large frying pan over low heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook, stirring occasionally until the onion softens and begins to brown. Add the sugar, vinegar and stock and cook, stirring occasionally until the onion caramelises. Then finish off by stirring in the thyme and seasoning with pepper. Increase oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then heat the garlic butter in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the potato and cook on each side or until the potatoes are golden. To finish off the casserole, arrange potato and caramelised onion over the beef mixture. Pop back in the oven uncovered for 20 minutes or until the potato is tender. Sprinkle with cheese and bake for a further 10 minutes or until the cheese melts and is golden. To serve, sprinkle with extra thyme sprigs and season with pepper. A twist of the classic beef casserole, this recipe is packed full of flavour and a hearty meal to feed the family.